Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I feel trapped, backed into a corner. Sometimes I feel like I've been putting on a fake persona. I'm still gon' stand my ground, a rap warrior. Give me the nod and I'll be going to bat for ya. You are me, you, all of you listening, all of you waiting and hoping and wishing for one to come through who gonna open your vision until you see the bright light shining in the distance. We all got problems like everybody else. I always tend to lose when I battle with myself. I rebel with the booze and I jeopardize my health. Walk a day in my shoes, then tell me how you felt. Never judge till you fully understand. You'll never see it coming cause the shit is never planned. You'll never know his actions until you know the man. And you'll never know the man if you never lend a hand. Dig deep in yourself. Life can be challenging, hard and complex. Be ready for the challenge. Take a deep breath and stand up when the strength in your legs done left. Look deep in yourself. Deep in yourself. Life can be challenging, hard and complex. Be ready for the challenge. Take a deep breath and stand up when the strength in your legs done left. Standing for what I believe, cause I got a set of nuts. Digging deep inside myself like I'm shoveling my guts. Never have before, cause I never gave a what do you wanna be when you finally grow up? That's a question I never really got. I'm gonna be me if you like it or not. That's how I used to think until I finally thought that it's not that easy. Cause life brings a lot of change and hard pains and certain things that change your mind frame and rearrange your mentality. What my nephew and niece think about me is more important than your hourly salary. If you don't get it yet, then you will. Maybe you won't, but maybe you will. Maybe you'll feel the way that I feel. Then maybe you'll see that I'm trying to keep it real. Dig deep in yourself. Life can be challenging, hard and complex. Be ready for the challenge. Take a deep breath and stand up when the strength in your legs done left. Look deep in yourself.